There it is.
Now it is. Okay. You know all the stuff that we did in class last week? We are going to go over all the sentences we've done, so you all know what they are already. We do the complex sentence, the compound sentence, the sentence with the compound subject or compound verb. Can anyone explain to me what a compound sentence is? What is it?
A sentence with complete sentences that complete a thought with a complete thought in it.
Okay. Slow down. Don't worry. You're fine.
Sorry.
With the subject and verb in both sides, right? That's what you're getting at.
Expresses a complete thought.
Okay. What is a complex sentence? Yes.
It has a subject, a verb, and expresses a complete thought.
Good job. All right. Everybody ready? We can get started. Pretty confident that you know what we're doing? Okay. Okay, I'll read you the sentence, and you tell me what kind of sentence it is. Our grandparents were happy when we rented an apartment near them. Anybody know it?
Are the only options CX or CD?
No, you have CX, CD, SCS, or SCV.
Oh, so no.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why is it a CX? Everybody agree with him?
Yes.
Good, he's right. Good job. I've done that so many times today. Okay, next one. After Sharon moved away, Laura spoke with her on the phone and by email.
CX.
Why is it a CX?
After and beginning as common.
Okay, very good. Squash and corn filled the bushel baskets at the roadside vegetable stand.
CX.
Why?
It is too
Squash.
Good job, guys. The obedient little girl did her chores and spoke politely to her parents.
SCV.
What are the verbs?
Chores and spoke.
Good job. Crystal icicles glittered in the bright sunlight and new snow crushed under our feet. Why? What are the subjects?
Icicles and snow.
Good job. The tournament was rescheduled for next week.
No.
Very good. The raccoons raided my corn patch. However, they didn't bother my tomatoes.
CD.
Why is it a CD?
Because it's semicolons.
Very good. Y'all are doing really good. After she boarded the plane, Emma panicked.
CX.
Why?
After is in the beginning of common.
That's right. Floodwaters and debris destroyed the cotton crop.
That's
Why?
orders and debris.
All right, with these, we are going to fix the sentence the way it is supposed to be. So this one's a CX. We add the word when, and it's a number 1. The fireworks burst overhead. The little boy was astonished. So what do we do with it?
It's a one to put at the beginning. Comma.
Everybody agree?
Yes.
Next one. Do it again, guys. Okay, this one's a CD with a semicolon, however, comma. Catherine always rode the elevator at the mall. She used the stairs today.
It'd be Catherine always rode the elevator at the mall. However, she uses
Semicolon, however.
Okay, good job. Like that? Okay, good job. See, did it again. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. In case you can't tell, I've never used a smartboard. Okay, so this one we have a CX, the word as, and it's a number 2. We waved farewell, the train passed out of sight.
We wait farewell
as
as
the train passed. Is there a comma?
No.
Okay. So we waved farewell as the train passed out of sight. Okay, next one. Did it right that time. It's a CX with if, and it's a number 1. traffic on the freeway is heavy, I take the access road.
If traffic on the freeway is heavy, comma, I take.
Is that right? Okay, good job. Okay, this one is a CX with even though, and it's a number 1. And it's Aunt Martha is 90 years old. She doesn't act it.
Even though Aunt Martha is 90 years old, comma, she doesn't act.
Like that. Very good. Okay, this one's CX with while, and it's a number 1. We were in South America. My older sister had her baby.
While we were in South Africa, comma, my older sister had.
Very good. Okay, last one of these. We have a CX after, it's a number 2. My grandmother developed arthritis. She had her 60th birthday.
My grandmother developed arthritis after she had her 60th.
Is there a comma?
No.
Very good. Y'all had some trouble with this. Actually, everyone had some trouble last week, so let's just kind of review it, and we will remember which one's possessive noun and which one is possessive pronoun. What is the possessive noun? What does this mean?
It's a noun with the ownership, showing ownership.
Right, okay. Let's start right here. What is this one? What is her?
Double B.
Everybody agree? What about mine?
Double B.
Come on, guys. I gotta hear voices. Tom's.
Yeah.
Okay. Ours.
Possessive
Shelly's.
pronoun.
Mike's. His.
Double B.
Okay. See, y'all know them. I don't know why we was having any trouble last week.
I have
So,
a question.
yes,
Well, if it has a comma S, will it always be?
an apostrophe S.
Yeah. Will it
Um,
always be?
If it's a name with an apostrophe S, yes. Because it's showing ownership. Possess. I mean, it's going to be right there. But if it has something else with an apostrophe S, it does not mean it's always going to be. Thanks, guys. Always looking out for me. Okay. We are going to do some more examples here. Your only options is a simple sentence, a compound sentence, and a complex sentence. And don't forget what we tried a little bit of last week with the compound and complex sentence. Do y'all remember what that is?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so let's get started on this and see how we do. The right hemisphere of the human brain typically controls muscle movement on the left side of the body. Anybody? Everybody agree on simple? Okay. Very good. The vibrant trumpet-shaped plumes of the trumpet vine make it ideal for attracting hummingbirds. You say riddle? In some ways. Lorraine Hansberry wrote the widely acclaimed 1959 Broadway play, A Raisin in the Sun, and her accomplishment opened the door for other African American playwrights. Why is it a compound? Okay. All right, y'all are doing really good. I don't think you'll actually need that much review. We can watch the presidential debate, which will be broadcast at 9 o'clock. Or we can view the documentary about the greatest innovations of the 21st century. Look at your binder. On the complex, what are your words?
I don't think it is. It's just a compound. It's just compound.
Okay, Okay, everybody agree with compound? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, if you did not see which in your binders, it needs to be added with all your other words. It's okay, we just missed it. It's not a big deal. But if you add it in, you'll know to look for it next time, okay? Thank you. Okay, everybody ready? Almost. Annual plants survive only one season and must be replaced each year. But perennials return each year with the new flowers and foliage. What is it? Why do you think it's a compound? Come on, you got it. What makes it a compound? No.
Because comma, but.
There you go. Stay with what you got, okay? Don't be guessing. You knew what it was. Aaron has an unconventional swing, but he manages to drive the ball further than some professional golfers.
Compound.
Why?
Common butt.
Good job, guys. Okay, after a parrotfish eats algae-covered coral, the coral travels through the fish's digestive system and then it deposits in the reef as white coral sand.
Compound complex.
Why?
Because after
During
the
comma.
Very good. Y'all knew it before I could even finish talking. That's amazing. During last night's thunderstorm, a flurry of tiny hailstones danced around the roof of our house.
Complex. I thought it was simple because there's no comma, but there's no.
During. No, that's a.
During
Yeah, that.
So it's a simple.
It isn't simple. Since it takes approximately 1,000 years for a used printer cartridge to decompose, recycling these plastic ink dispensers helps the environment.
Complex.
Why is it complex?
Because it's
Then it starts a
acids and-
sentence and there's a comment.
Kane took several incredible panoramic photographs of the sweeping view from the top of Table Mountain.
Simple.
Everybody agree? If we can find an inexpensive hotel for the 4th of July weekend, we can always stay with my parents.
Complex. How is that? Because if,
Yeah.
and then there's a comma.
Good job, Haven. Very good job. Benjamin Franklin, scientist, inventor, and one of America's founding fathers, raised public awareness about firefighting methods and organized the first fire department in Philadelphia.
It'd be a compound.
Why is it a compound?
Wait, no, it wouldn't be a
Why would you think that?
I don't know.
Just tell me why we think it. Are you thinking it because, well, because of this? Is that why you're thinking it? Is there a comma before it though? So is it going to be simple?
It's just a sentence. No, it's a compound.
It's not a
Why is it a compound?
Oh, never mind.
It says inventor, comma, and so
I didn't
that's
see.
not-
I didn't see the.
Yeah.
It's after the sign.
SCS, but that's
So
It's
it's
just
a
simple.
simple.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't see the comma after the sign.
We got it. It's okay. Sometimes we just have to work through things because it is confusing. And like y'all said, it didn't have the option of a compound. Oh my gosh, where did that?
Push
Go
the
forward.
push the forward button.
Go back.
You know what? Let's just call it good from there. We're good. Okay. Does anybody have any questions about what we've done so far?
No, ma'am.
You don't have a big assignment today, but when we are finished, just come up here and get your paper and work at it at your desk. And if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll help you.